In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Fortnite gift card here in Chapter 7, no matter what platform you're playing on. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do is actually close out of Fortnite, because you can't do this in Fortnite, and either get on a secondary device, or if you're on PC, just open up a web browser. Or if you do get on that secondary device, open up a web browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Safari, it doesn't really matter, and just search for, up at the very top, epicgames.com/redeem, just like so, and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're just going to want to make sure that up at the very top you go ahead and hit sign in with your Epic Games account before actually redeeming anything. After signing in, all you have to do is just go back to the section and enter in whatever code you have right here, and then just hit redeem, and you'll be good to go. Just make sure, once again, that you're signed into the correct Epic Games account before redeeming. Otherwise, the funds are going to go to the wrong account. If you just turn your gift card to the back, you're going to see the code that you need to enter in. After you do enter that in and hit redeem, you'll have another option to hit redeem one more time. And then if you back out and go back into Fortnite, and once again, you're going to have to probably reload Fortnite, you'll actually see the balance in there, or the card will be added to your Epic Games wallet. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.